If you're concerned about liver health, there's one food you definitely want to avoid, especially if you're at risk for fatty liver. It's not sugar, carbs, or high fructose corn syrup, though those are harmful to the liver. The real culprit is something much worse. The liver often doesn't show symptoms until issues are more advanced. People might experience vague symptoms like pain or tightness in the right shoulder, around the scapula, or under the rib cage, without realizing it's related to the liver. A common myth is that liver damage is permanent, but the liver is incredibly resilient and can regenerate. Another misconception is that the liver stores toxins. It detoxifies poisons, but doesn't store them. If scar tissue develops, it can lead to cirrhosis, increasing the risk of liver cancer. Medical treatments are limited, and liver transplants come with their own complications. A study on rats showed that those fed pig fat, lard, and alcohol, or beef fat, tallow, and alcohol, had minimal liver damage. The third group, fed corn oil and alcohol, suffered severe damage. This highlights the dangers of seed oils. The number one worst food for your liver is seed oils. These oils, often marketed as vegetable oils, are highly inflammatory. Soy, corn, and canola oils are loaded with omega-6 fats, which, when oxidized, damage the liver and nervous system. The average person consumes 25 to 30% of their calories from omega-6, leading to inflammation and liver damage. These oils get stuck in fat cells and cell membranes for years. When eating out, avoid fast food and restaurants that use soybean, corn, or canola oils for frying. Replace them with healthier options like omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil. Opt for grass-fed meats, and include cruciferous vegetables like cabbage and sauerkraut for liver health.